Hi friends, I am Dr. Abdek, I am Chimthanawala. Today we'll discuss a very important indications of a very polycrest remedy, because whenever a remedy comes to our mind or polycrest remedy comes to our mind, there are fixed notions, there are fixed ideas in our mind that this remedy is indicated for these complaints. But that remedy has a variety and a wide scope that sometimes we forget to understand and sometimes we forget to read. This remedy today which I am going to take you that to understand its indication for perspiration. I have seen lot of results with this remedy regarding perspiration, so you should remember the symptoms of perspiration of this remedy, and the remedy is sepia. Yes, sepia, a very well known remedy, a polycrest remedy, a very well read remedy, you all know. But the symptoms of perspiration which I have seen in my practice and cured with this remedy are very vital. First of all, you must remember that sepia has perspiration cold from exertion of the body. मतलब जब भी वो काम करे, whenever he starts working, even when he works slightly, he starts getting perspiration. Because if you get this symptom, you normally think about calcareas, but sepia also has this symptom, that is perspiration cold from slightest exertion of mind and slightest exertion of body also. Now this is a very important symptom with the exertion of body or mind also. You may have some patients who keep studying because for the exams and all, and they start getting perspiration, and the perspiration is cold. Very rarely we think about sepia, but sepia is a very important remedy where the perspiration cold from exertion of mind and exertion of the body. For these conditions, we normally remember, and we should remember some drugs which are similar, having the same symptoms like sepia. The first is calcarea car, a very important remedy that you all know. Second, Hiparsulf. Hiparsulf calcarea has both the same symptom, that is perspiration cold from slight exertion of mind and body. Third, again Cocculus. Yes, Cocculus indicus also has the same symptom of perspiration. And fourth, Actaea spicata. These 3 to 4 remedies you must remember with this symptom, that is perspiration cold from slightest exertion of mind and body. Now the modalities, the time of perspiration of sepia is also important. Sepia has perspiration before menses, during menses and after menses. In all 3 phases of menstrual complaint, the sepia lady suffers from perspiration. Up till now you only thought about the menstrual complaints of sepia. That is important, but this is also important, that perspiration before, during and after menses. And how is the perspiration? That is very important. It is fetid, offensive and sour. I had a very important symptom, sourness in perspiration. A patient used to come and tell me that Dr. Sahab, पसीने से बहुत खट्टी बास आती है periods के पहले. Now she was describing actually sepia, खट्टी बास, sourness. The sore perspiration was very important. Sore perspiration, fetid perspiration and offensive perspiration, all these things are present in sepia. One of the most important symptom of sepia perspiration is the staining. It stains the linen brown. A sepia lady, if it comes to you and she says that my clothes are stained brown because of perspiration, you must definitely think about sepia. A very important symptoms of sepia, the perspiration stains the linen brown, and sepia has perspiration from pain also, a very important symptom. A sepia lady will say बहुत जब dysmenorrhea होता है, बहुत painful जब menses आते हैं तो पूरा body पसीने से भीग जाता है. Means whenever there is severe pain during menses, the body is fully wet with perspiration, you must think about sepia. Don't always think about Vacfos and Mercurian for perspiration, think about sepia. A very important indications. I have used these indications many of times and that has given me good results. Now, if it stains the linen brown, washing the clothes, washing the perspiration side is very difficult to wash. The staining brown in the linen is difficult to wash off. It takes a lot of effort to remove that stain. That is the perspiration of sepia. So you must remember these symptoms very important. Fetid perspirations, sharp perspiration, offensiveness, it stains the linen brown, and the stains are difficult to wash. Now the stains are difficult to wash. In this symptom, you must remember 3 to 4 drugs. And the first drug that comes to my mind is Lactafluoretum. A very important symptom also is there in this drug. The perspiration difficult to wash off. Second, magnesium carbs. The stains difficult to wash off. And third, Merck Sol. Perspiration, washing is difficult. Washing is difficult to remove these stains. So you must remember Lactafluoretum, magnesium carb, and Merck Sol. These 3 remedies also has the same symptom. Of course, in sepia there is one more important symptom, that in some cases you might find the perspiration hot. पेशेंट बोलता है पसीना बहुत निकलता है तो बहुत गर्म लगता है, पसीना भी काफ़ी गर्म लगता है. So sometimes in sepia the perspiration is hot also. Both you have in sepia. Now in sepia there are many of modalities when the patient perspires. You must remember all the modalities, that is perspiration while writing, perspiration while urination, in presence of strangers, a very important symptom. Normally we never think about sepia. Okay, whenever the patient goes out, whenever the person goes out and is surrounded by strangers, he has to give lecture, he starts sweating. You must think about sepia. Perspiration in the presence of strangers, or perspiration because of stomach complaints. We have seen menstrual complaint perspiration, but in stomach complaints also sepia has perspiration. I had a very important symptom in sepia that the patient came and tell me, Doctor, whenever I wake up from sleep, I find myself wet with perspiration. Yes, this symptom is also present in sepia, and that is perspiration waking while. This is sepia. In fact, if the patient is very sad because of some event and he starts perspiring, then also you must think about sepia. See the variety of symptoms of sepia perspiration that you should remember. Even while coughing, and especially when the patient is angry also and he starts perspiring, you must think about sepia. I had a very interesting case that the mother came and told me, whenever I get angry to my children's, whenever they don't study and I shout to my children's, I start perspiring. So I took this rubric, perspiration from anger, and matched other symptoms of sepia, and the drug was sepia. Perspiration while eating, or in fact after eating, is also sepia, and perspiration during stools is also sepia. So see the variety of symptoms of sepia only for perspiration. If you see, there are many of conditions where sepia is indicated: during, before and after menses, during stools, while getting angry, writing, walking, waking, and because of anger. This is sepia perspiration, you must remember. Of course, then in homeopathy you have to match other symptoms of sepia also, but sometimes the entry point becomes perspiration in case of sepia, where the offensiveness, the staining of the linen, and the brownishness of the linen is important entry point of sepia in perspiration. Do share this video so that people can learn more about sepia and its indication. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.